Show the Nightmare Birds list here.
I looked at him and I took a breath. Please tell me why you faked your death. He said, West Side, it is the best side. He said, West Side, it is the best side. Knows how to party. The city of Compton, yeah. Ain't no life like a Tupac life, 'cause a Tupac life don't stop.
The instamatic focal point bringing damage to your burrow. Be some brothers from the east with the beats that be thorough. Got the solar gravitation, so I'm bound to pull it. I gets down like brothers are found, ducking from bullets. Gun control means using both hands in my land, where it's all about the cautious living. Migrating to a higher form of consequence. Compliments, I'm struggling, that shouldn't be notable. Man, every word I say should be a hip-hop quotable.
I'm sick of bitches shaking asses. I'm sick of talking about blunts, sick of Versace glasses, sick of slang, sick of half-ass award shows, sick of name brand clothes, sick of R&B bitches over bullshit tracks, cocaine and cracks, which brings sickness to black. Sick of swole head rappers with they sickening raps, clappers and gats, making the whole sick world collapse. The facts are getting sicker, even sicker perhaps. I stick a bush to make a bundle to escape the cement.
Man, life can get all up in your ass, baby. You better work it out. Now let me tell you what it's all about. A skin not considered equal. A meteor has more right than my people who be wasting time screaming who they've hated. That's why the native tongues has officially been reinstated. Yeah. Stakes is high. You know them stakes is high. When we talking about stakes is high. Y'all know them stakes is high when we dealing with them. Stakes is high. It's about love of cars, love of funds, loving to love mad sex, loving to love guns, love for opposite, love for fame and wealth, love for the fact of no longer loving yourself, kid. We living in them days of the man-made ways where every aspect is vivid. These brothers no longer talk shit, yo. These niggas live it, about to give it to you 24/7 on the microphone. Plug one, translating the zone. No offense to a player, but yo, I don't play. And if you take offense, fuck it, got to be that way. JD Dub, show your love, what you got to say?
I say jeans are making cake is at a high regard, and niggas dying for it nowadays ain't odd. Investing in fantasies and not God. Welcome to reality, see times is hard. People try to snatch the credit but can't claim the card. Showing out in videos saying they co-star. See shit like that'll make your mama cry. Better watch the way you spend it, cause the stakes is high.
You know them stakes is high when you're dealing with them. Stakes is high. Man, them stakes is high.
Check it. I think that smiling in public is against the law. Cause love don't get you through life no more. It's who you know and how you son. And how you getting in and who the man holding heat. Yo, and how was the skins and how high. Yo, what up, how? I heard you caught a body. Seem like every man and woman shared a life with John God.
But they ain't organized.
Mixing crimes with life enzymes. Taking the big scout route. And niggas no doubt better than they know they daughters and they sons.
Yo, people go through pain and still don't gain positive contact. Just like my main man who got others cleaning up his physical influence. His mind got congested, he got the non-influent. Neighborhoods are now hoods, cause nobody's neighbors, just animals surviving with that animal behavior under eye. Who be rhyming from dark to light sky. Experiment where needles and skin connect. No wonder where we live is called the projects. When them stakes is high, you damn sure try to do anything to get the piece of the pie. Electrify, even die for the cash, but at last we be out, even though you're wanting more. This issue was closed like an elevator door, but soon reopen once we get to the next floor with the
Come on, vibration.
stakes is high. You know them stakes is high.
Okay, cool, Hunt Master. There you are, Marco 94. Congrats, Huntmaster 994, on your Hangerback Walker. We're being one of the first 50 followers of the Jace-Z stream. We'll be doing this every 50 followers. We're at 83 right now. If you're not following, liking yet, feel free to. And if you want to learn more, go to jczmtg.wordpress.com. And then to follow a giveaway, you can see the rules and how it works. So next, when we hit 100 followers, then 150, etc., every 50 followers, we'll give away one of these cards to one random follower. We want a Jace the Mind Sculptor, Underground Sea, Windswept Heath, Hangerback, Collected Company, Dak Faden, a bunch of random Planeswalkers. And yeah, so be sure to follow. I appreciate it. Yeah. So I think we're going to switch over to Kiki Restoration Angel. The deck is a lot better than the Nightmare Birds. Nightmare Birds is fun, you know. Thanks for tuning in. We might play some later. We'll put up some polls and stuff. But for now, we're going to switch to Kiki Restoration Angel combo. All right. Try to get a match going here. Okay, Jin Yoku. We'll keep this. Okay, here. No turn 2 play.